Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling, and just a quick update on the 55 Bel Air, if I can talk right. So this is a donor kit that I got from Tony Evans trade, and the chrome insert has that little thing on the bottom there, and on the other kit that I got it doesn't have that. So I took it off, and what I'll do is I'll cut that piece off and just glue that one piece, you know, there or something, or whatever looks kind of right. You see it, it's got to be cut out there a little bit, like on this one. Sorry, trying not to make everybody dizzy. Yeah, right there. So I just gotta cut that, sand that down a little bit or something, and just put this one in its place. Because the kit didn't even come with those pieces, which is fine. I wasn't even going to put anything on there, but then I was looking through my builds or rebuilders and found that, so thought it'd be pretty cool to do that for it. I just got this wet sanded all down. Last night I think it was, I got that wet sand. I still got a little more to do around the windows and some on the hood and stuff, but I'm gonna get this bare metal foiled here soon and cleared, then maybe a polish. I'm not sure, depending on how the clear comes out. That 2K gloss from Mecha Empire is pretty nice, so I'm not sure if I'll have to polish it out or not, but we'll see. Yeah, just a quick update, guys, and I should be back a little bit later with some. Oh, I was cutting out some real leaves. I grabbed one yesterday from outside, and I got this cutter. I forgot where I got it from, but it's got some patterns, leaf patterns, and you just put the leaf in there and stamp it. They pop right out. Pretty cool. Good for dioramas, making some leaves. Some of them are a little bit too big, I think. Like those are like way too big, I think. But some of the little ones just save a bunch up in a bag and use them for something, I guess. But yeah, I'll be back, and thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, hey guys, I'm back for a quick second. I forgot to show the ooh, thunder. Yeah, thunder and lights are flashing. That's not good. The Tamiya black rubber that I airbrushed on there, that looks really good. I was kind of surprised. Just mixed it with the Mr. Color leveling thinner and just sprayed it. I think I maybe 15 to 20 pounds pressure or whatever, but yeah, it does look pretty good, that black rubber. I guess for the 3D print stuff, I guess I'll use the Tamiya instead. I was using the heck was it, I think it was Krylon or something, satin black, which actually is on this truck. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can hold them side by side, tell the difference. It's kind of hard to tell, but they both kind of don't look bad, but I do like this one. I do like this one better. So, and this truck is still sitting. I'm just having a issue with what motor to do. Ugh, man. I started out with the 302. Then I did a Coyote motor, I think it was. And I think I had another one built to put in it. And, oop, damn it. I want to try to get that one done. I got to figure out what engine I'm going to do. I just dropped that thing all over in there. Damn it. But anyway, there's the 302 I had in it. Took that out. Then I was going to put this one in it. Changed my mind. Went a little bit different route with that one. And now I'm kind of stuck again. So I have to look for another motor to put in it. I don't know, maybe I'll pull that out and put it in it. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I just wanted to show the black rubber in case anybody was wondering about 3D printed tires, because I mean, it looks good. I got like these I printed a while ago. Probably look really good with that Tamiya rubber black on there. But anyway, okay guys, I'll be back. Thanks for watching.